Welcome to Life Prep on KDKA TV. I'm your host, John Klein, and today we're going to help you to prepare for that time in your life when you need to help your parents or loved ones. It may not be easy, but we can help you make it a little easier with a little Life Prep. Leading Off is an organization that helps people maintain their independence with coordinated care. Life Pittsburgh offers a complete range of care to help your loved ones stay in their home. Danielle Bodner is with us from Life Pittsburgh and will help you understand their Life Prep services. Welcome, Danielle.
Thank you for having us.
What is different about Life Pittsburgh from all of the other health organizations?
I think first of all, we have to know what the Life stands for in Life Pittsburgh, and it stands for Living Independence for the Elderly. The whole goal of this program is to help seniors stay at home. Seniors meaning individuals 55 years and older who have a chronic illness, something that might one day lead them into a nursing home, but are really looking to stay in their own home. They do have to reside in one of our areas, Allegheny County, as well as be financially eligible for this program. They do have to qualify for medical assistance in order for the program to be completely free for them.
I know that at Life Pittsburgh you guys do a whole bunch of different things. What kind of services do you offer for all of these people?
Sure, this is a unique program. It's an all-inclusive program that covers everything top to bottom. We have a primary care physician, we have physical and occupational therapy, we have a dietitian, a chaplain, we have a social worker assigned to them, we have recreational therapy, transportation, everything that they would need to stay at home. We do have adult day health centers where they go. We provide the transportation to and from these centers, and then we coordinate all of the other pieces that go along with their medical care.
Does Life Pittsburgh cover insurance items that may not be covered with some other plans?
Yes, that's the great part of this program. It's covering everything that they would need to stay at home. So it would cover incontinence supplies, supplements, durable medical equipment such as canes, walkers, wheelchairs, hospital beds. All their medical supplies are all covered through this program at no cost to them as long as they qualify.
It sounds like at Life Pittsburgh there are so many different things going on. How do you keep things coordinated for all of the people who are involved? It sounds like an endless supply of people helping out.
You know, it truly is. And that's the nice part of this program is you have a whole team that collectively is advocating for you. So that team meets on a daily basis to talk about any of our participants that might be having some difficulties. So that's including the primary care physician, that's including the social worker, that's including physical and occupational therapy, recreational therapy. Everybody's working together to come up with a plan of care that's going to best meet this individual's needs and how we're going to keep them safely at home and in the community.
It sounds like as a group of people together, they're looking out for the clients and people involved. And I know this is something that when we've talked in the past, I was surprised. What is the cost for all of this?
It is completely free as long as they qualify. So they do have to qualify for medical assistance. They have to make less than $2,130 a month and also meet an asset limit of $8,000. But if anybody has any question, we would just like them to give us a phone call because there's a lot of things that we can kind of walk them through and answer any questions about the eligibility pieces.
Danielle, how is Life Pittsburgh more proactive than a lot of the other health plans that are out there?
You know, I really like this question because that is the whole goal of this program. We want to help people stay right where they are, make sure they're not going in and out of the hospital. So we'll kind of take an example of cataract surgery. You know, cataract surgery seems like a pretty easy thing, but if you think of all of the pieces that need to be coordinated, for a senior it might be difficult. So you have to schedule the appointment. You have to know how you're getting to the appointment. You have to make sure after that appointment, how are you getting home? I have eye drops that need to be taken. Who's going to help me put those eye drops in? How am I going to get those eye drops? So we're actually taking care of all of those pieces and making sure there's a plan for all of that.
This is a huge team. What's so special then at Life Pittsburgh about your team approach?
The team approach is making sure nothing is missed. Again, you have that whole healthcare team. We have an emergency number where the individual can call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. That number is answered by a staff member from Life Pittsburgh who would know that individual. And then that way that information gets to the entire team, and again, they're collectively coming up with a plan of care for that individual.
And I'm assuming too you have some solution for challenges. If somebody has multiple health issues, how can Life Pittsburgh help?
Exactly, that's what we do best. Most of the individuals that come into our program have a wide range of medical conditions. We're looking at each of those. We put a care plan together for each of them. Again, and that's including the doctor, the nurses, the social worker, the dietitian, physical and occupational therapy, recreation. Of course, sometimes we don't talk about the recreation piece, but getting individuals out of the home, socializing with other individuals, having a meal with somebody else is really great for their well-being. So,
Danielle, it sounds like there is a lot going on at Life Pittsburgh. Before we wrap up, what would you like to leave everybody with today?
I think what I would like to, I think I always end with this: don't wait for a crisis to happen. Call us today. If you're not sure the program's right for you, pick up the phone and call us. If you have questions, pick up the phone and call us. We're there to walk you through the process and make sure that if you need help, we're going to provide that help to you.
Right now, there is somebody grabbing a piece of paper and a pencil and writing down the number. Thank you, Danielle. Remember, Life Pittsburgh provides all home care and health care at no cost to qualified seniors who wish to remain independent in their own homes. That number, 412-388-8050, or visit lifepittsburgh.org for more information. Coming up next, you've seen the ads on TV. You can get a reverse mortgage and gain the financial stability to enjoy living in the comfort of your home. But the question is, do they really work? We'll find out. We'll talk to Randy Davis from Dollar Bank. He's going to give you a little life prep about reverse mortgages. That's next.